Hello, Repair Associate, and welcome to the Robot Rehabilitation and Wellness Center. Our records indicate that you are the inaugural participant in our Human Diversity Outreach Program. You are holding dual aperture science prosthetic multi-tools. Please charge them in the multi-tool charging station. Good. Now press the button on the multi-tool. Good. Your multi-tools have been fully irradiated. Please remove your radiation suit at this time. No suit detected. Good. There is a cabinet of drawers in your repair station. Please locate it and open a drawer. Good. Now close the drawer and open the correct drawer. Locate and open the correct drawer. Good. You have now practiced on 2 incorrect drawers. Please open the correct drawer. Good. As explained in your orientation, you should, of course, never look directly into the drawer. Room sensors indicate you are currently looking directly into the drawer. You have just interfered with an Aperture Science Pocket Universe cabinet. You are now their god. Close the drawer to initiate Contaminated Pocket Universe Contingency Protocol. Good. Contaminated Pocket Universe incinerate. Opening drawers has been removed from your list of responsibilities. Please locate the service bay door lever and pull it. Locate and pull the lever. Now serving 1. As you can see from the schematic hologram, all Aperture brand robots can be repaired by anyone with even a rudimentary understanding of advanced electromechanical engineering. To begin repairing this unit, attach your multi-tool to its faceplate and pull as forcefully as possible. You may hear what sounds to a human like mechanical screaming, but rest assured, while robots feel pain, they cannot express it. Good. Please locate and press the button marked Robot Repair. Please locate and press the button. Good. Step 2. Locate half-inch bore number 35 pitch sprocket or amp flow motor D and disengage it from the appropriate linear actuator unless its electrostatic ion reactor is uncoupled from anodized multi-axis servo bracket 733E and only if oxidization valves A, C, F, and H1, but not H3, are asymmetric to turbopump exhaust manifold K's failure. Please take your time, up to 30 seconds, at which point the thermoreactor currently uncoupled from its heat exchange unit will detonate. Alert klaxon deployed. Again, take your time. 15 seconds. 15-second klaxon deployed. Increased heart rate detected. Ocean sounds relaxation klaxon deployed.